Hi everyone, it's Niamo of the HealMobile, and I'm going to do a very brief video about the Golden Touch. The Golden Touch set of oils is 7 oils that are just really supportive to the body. Now you can diffuse all of them so that you break up mucus in the system. Your lungs are supported in the system. The aches and pains that may affect the stomach and your digestive system, your moods, that have come on due to, the weather changes just being drastic. These oils really do contribute to helping your body balance and maintain itself. And so the 8 oils that are in it are the Digize Vitality, the Endoflex Vitality, Dubiflex Vitality, and Thieves Vitality. The Vitality oils can be used in the kitchen. I use all of these in my kitchen. Then there's Melrose, there's RC, respiratory condition, and Raven. Okay, so real briefly, let's go through them so that you know what to do. Okay. First of all, I wanted to say that quite a few oils appear in all of the blends, all right? So peppermint is one of them. That means if you have nothing in your house, I'm doing this video so that you could also gain from this. If you have nothing, no access to the Golden Touch, you just don't have access to this, right? So perhaps this will help. Use your peppermint to help break up the mucus. Use your myrtle to improve the efficiency of the lungs. Use your melaleuca in also supporting your bronchial tubes and your breathing. Use your eucalyptus. It could be the globalist, which is stronger than the radiata, right? Use what you know. Buy those eucalyptus leaves and put them in the house. Put them under the shower with a burst of hot water on the eucalyptus leaves to let the oils in the leaves permeate the bathroom and breathe that in. So there are ways of just learning how to help our bodies heal themselves if we take a lesson from the ingredients in some of these products, right? So as I was going to say also that most of them can be diffused. Here's the diffuser. This is the diffuser I've been using. And you see all that? See that coming out of there? I don't want to put my nose right in it, but because this is strong. I have it on strong so you could see it. But it fills my bedroom. I brought it in here in my office, and I can't wait to go back in there to see if the smell's still there. It probably will be there. It's just delightful, and it's helping my body to adapt. So to the change in the weather, that is. Now, Digize is one of the oils that you do not necessarily diffuse. You just take a drop in your mouth. Just go like this, move your tongue over, let it drop, or you put it on your finger like this, and one little drop will come out. Sometimes I just knock it because this is mine. I'm not sharing it. And then I put it inside of my mouth and I rub it. I can feel it. Ooh, all that lemon, all that tarragon leaf, all that ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, woo, anise and patchouli in that Digize. Feel it, just spreading around. Okay. I can rub it on my stomach. I can put it at the bottom of my throat. Just put a dot here if I want, right? I can use it on a compress, okay? And I could put it under my foot at the stomach points, under my foot and my intestines. So that is under here, right? This area. Basically the under sole of the foot, the middle, between the heel and the sole, that's the area of the stomach and the intestines. So any problem you're having up here and here, even the ears and the headache and all that sneezy, wheezy stuff, massage the bottoms of your feet. Use these products. Use some of the oils such as the myrtle and the peppermint and the lemon and the rosemary that appear in a lot of these blends in your home. Buy those herbs, buy those foods, eat those foods like the lemon water, morning and night, the eucalyptus leaves, right? All of that is good for you. So that's digest. Now, Endoflex is really supportive of the endocrine system. And so it has in it spearmint, sesame oil, sage, geranium, myrtle, German chamomile, nutmeg, and it is delightful, right? Very supportive to the endocrine system. And I used to use it when premenopause and through menopause and postmenopause. I stopped using it as much as I used to. It's excellent. Excellent. It supported me a lot. I would put it in my water and my teas and stuff like that. So that's excellent. You can diffuse it, and it's good for the thyroid. It supports the thyroid, supports the kidneys and the livers and the pancreas and all that glandular system. Okay. Then we have Juvaflex, and Juvaflex Vitality is a blend that is supportive of the liver area and the kidneys and that flushing. You know, and you can use it under your feet like everything else, and also in your back and your spine for massage. You could put it in your massage oil and just massage away. It also contains Juvaflex, that is, geranium, rosemary, Roman chamomile, blue tansy, and helichrysum. Helichrysum is a sign that it's good for supporting the blood system, because we know that helichrysum is very helpful in supporting the body to clot more efficiently, but to clot when necessary. And so it'll stop excessive bleeding. It'll help the body just like arrest that. That's what helichrysum is very useful for. So it's very interesting that it's in that particular blend that is going to be excellent for the liver and the kidney area. Right? Then we have Melrose, and Melrose is comprised of rosemary, melaleuca, clove, Melaleuca quinquenervia, which is Niaoli, and you use it on location. It's one of the ones that you could just use right on your skin wherever, if you've never done this before, don't use some of these blends directly. Put them all under your feet, all right? This is also one that's excellent for the liver, all right? It's also good for the hair and the scalp. That rose is wonderful when you have things going on that your hair is just not getting enough moisture, air. So you can use Melrose. Okay. Then there's RC, and that contains the Eucalyptus globulus, myrtle, marjoram, Eucalyptus radiata, which is a softer eucalyptus, Eucalyptus citriodora, which is a lemony eucalyptus, lavender, cypress, and black spruce, and peppermint. RC is for respiratory conditions. That's what I say it means. That's what I think Gary Young said it means. And it's just wonderful for opening up the chest. Wonderful for that. You can use it as a massage directly on your chest, right? And also as a compress on your chest. You can breathe more easily, okay? Then there's Raven. And Raven is a blend that can be diffused quite easily and also used on the back. It is said that if you use RC on the front, use Raven on the back. And then, have your partner help you by massaging your back, and you work on the front. And all that matter that's in the way ought to be broken up and come right out. Raven has in it camphor leaf. Well, that's about serious, like exit for anything that's mucousy. Camphor leaf, lemon, wintergreen, peppermint, Eucalyptus radiata. Okay? Excellent for the lungs. You can even put it on your pillow. That is, put a drop in your hand. Rub it like this. Then just go like this over the pillow, right? Maybe you could blend Raven with a little bit of lavender. So you just go right to sleep and you're breathing that stuff all night, and next morning you're good as new. Finally, with Raven, you could actually use it as a suppository. Now, we'd have to talk about how that would happen. You would get a organic, some kind of organic system is used for the suppository, right? Okay, then there's Thieves. Thieves is the final one that's on the list, probably because it's alphabetical. And Thieves is the most popular essential oil blend probably that Young Living has. Why? Because there's a whole line of products named for Thieves. So I just mentioned I don't know if I mentioned it on this video, but my daughter would come upstairs and using my mouthwash, my Thieves mouthwash. What are you doing? What's the problem? Well, mommy, I have something in my throat. Well, I said, well, don't you have thieves? Yes, she does have thieves. Well, why aren't you using the thieves? And she realized that, oh, I can. I said, of course you can. Take the thieves and, you know, shake that bottle and, you know, swish it around your mouth and use it. And no more problems with your throat. Did it work? Of course it worked. I don't have people around me who have stuff going on with their lungs and their chest and all of that. No. And it's partly due to this product. This product is excellent. Now again, not again, but I had made a test video. So when I say again, I realize I think I've said it, but actually I haven't said it to you. But do be mindful of the product's contents, because in actuality, you can go to the store and just get these same items. Get lemon, get the eucalyptus, have it tie it to your shower head and have that hot water come out and steam up the bathroom with the eucalyptus. You get that effect in your home. You know, use rosemary. You know, when you cook, you can actually put the rosemary needles in a mesh, what is that white stuff called? The netting that's very tight, and you put it in there, and you can actually put it in your bathtub, and you feel how silky the water is from rosemary. You could use rosemary as a wash for your hair. They say something about the grays, but you didn't hear it from me because I have never used it like that. But it does help promote hair growth. Okay, rosemary cineol, that is. Okay, so Thieves also has clove, lemon, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary cineol. I don't know if I had gone through the whole list. And you can diffuse it under 30 minutes because it's really strong. For me, just take it in the mouth. And dilute it and use it at the thymus and under your arms as a deodorant. You could actually. So, yeah, that's it. That's the list. That's Golden Touch. It is one of the most affordable, immune system building essential oil products that Young Living Essential Oils offers. So don't sleep on it. Get out your shea butter, you know, use it with any of your carrier oils and keep it moving. Keep it moving. Don't be afraid. If you are, just start under your feet. Okay? So that's all for me. And pleasure to serve and pleasure to answer any questions. Visit thehemobile.com if you will. Like this page. Like the video. See me on Facebook, facebook.com/HealMobile. Lots of tips there. And look forward to connecting with you. Peace and blessings.